welcome to our tiny house. This weekend we are up here in Blue Mountain and we rented this tiny house, so take a look. We are going to spend some time outdoors, snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, skating, and just hiking. We're just trying to be adventurous as much as we can. So it is our first day here. We are going to go for a small snowshoe adventure.
This is beautiful out.
So we are trying snowshoeing and it is really, like, it's fun, but it's really hard as well. So you go first. It's easier to go. It's easier if you're behind.
The snow is deeper than we thought. It's maybe like 1.5 feet down or so. So we're stepping, we're going down deep, even with the snowshoes.
Okay, so tonight for dinner we're having stir fry with rice and tomato sauce. Homemade tomato sauce, might I add. We just made our stir fry dinner and we're just gonna enjoy with a glass of wine in a cozy cabin.
So last night we thought it would be a good idea to turn the heaters off. It went to 1 degree last night, so it was cold. So good morning, it's day 2 right now. We just woke up, we're gonna make some coffee, and then today we have some really cool plans. We're gonna go snowshoeing, and we're gonna go cross-country skiing, and go to Blue Mountain later on.
One coffee here, and the other one here, because we're both coffee addicts. So we're off to go to Duncan Trail, and we're not sure if we're going to be able to snowshoe or cross-country ski, but we'll see. Blue Mountain Road.
Okay, so we're on our first hike of the day. We didn't put snowshoes on or anything. We're just kind of walking along. This is Duncan Trail, right off 9th Side Road. We saw a couple there, and they said that there's a cross-country ski trail not too far. So we're probably going to drive there after and give it a try. But so far, this is so beautiful. Look at this. So about half an hour ago, we were up there. I think this way was easier.
How? So we just came back from the hike. It took us about 2 hours, like two and a half maybe. It was fun. It was challenging at some parts, a little unsafe at some parts.
Definitely, yeah.
I'm cold and I'm ready for some good quality coffee. So we are just getting ready to go cross-country skiing for the first time ever. So I can't even regular ski, so we'll see how this goes.
Okay, so we just got to this trail. We're gonna go do some cross-country skiing now. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
We're here on our cross-country skis and it's so much fun, and there's a beautiful sunset behind us and there's a huge cliff. Just beautiful. Robert, be careful.
Oh, this is fast. Perfect. Amazing, you got it, you got it.
Yay.
Awesome. Okay.
Oh man, it's fast. Okay, so first time cross-country skiing was a success. It's so much fun. I would highly recommend it to anyone. Even if you don't know how to ski, you can do it. It's so much fun.
Okay, so we're back in the car now. We're heading off to Blue Mountain Village. We're gonna go like explore, walk around, and then grab something to eat. I've never seen this place so empty before in my life. So we just came to the village to grab dinner, but everything was closed, except Pita Pit. So that's what we're eating. All those muffins.
Apple crumble for me? My God.
So we got a lot of muffins this morning.
Okay, so we're heading back home right now. We had such an amazing little winter getaway and we would love to come back.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
Hello.
Want me to go first?
Yeah, I don't think
You wanna film?
this in the snow like this. I think it's gonna be packed. Oh, look at this. You can't do cross country. That's such a dumb idea by you. Now I have to attempt to do that, and I can't even freaking ski down a regular hill in regular skis, so.